Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
Our top story this evening. For the first time in years, the People's National Party is leading the Jamaica Labour Party in the polls, and Party President Mark Golding is closing in on Prime Minister Andrew Holness.
The data were obtained from a PNP commissioned Don Anderson poll. As Kalisha Williams reports, the polls show that if an election was called now, the PNP would win.
In the last general election, the People's National Party only secured 14 seats, while the Jamaica Labour Party won 49. Since then, the PNP has been trying to win over the Jamaican people while being beleaguered by disunity in the party. Now it appears the party is gaining ground. At a press conference on Tuesday, General Secretary of the People's National Party, Dr. Dayton Campbell, gave the breakdown.
So the trend, which is what I pay more attention to, is the party coming from behind, pulling level, and then pulling ahead.
50.6% of respondents gave the PNP a positive rating, while 49.4% ranked them negatively. And when asked which of the two parties they intend to vote for if they go out to vote, 30.2% said they would vote for the PNP, while 25% said JLP. However, 44.8% of the respondents have either not yet decided or said they will not be voting.
There were lots of issues that were in the minds of people, the whole question of the salary, negotiations. There are lots of challenges that the government faced at that point in time. And what that meant was that the People's National Party gained 10 percentage points. The government fell by 3 percentage points. Marginal decline, but a significant jump for the People's National Party. We fast forward to June of 2023. So you could see that kind of trend continuing in June 2023. The People's National Party, they moved up to 30.2%. The Jamaica Labour Party fell to 25%.
When it comes to individual performance, 54.4% of those interviewed gave the Prime Minister a positive rating, while 53.2% gave opposition leader Mark Golding a positive rating.
We really wanted to get what we thought was the most useful information and feedback from the public as to whether or not they have a positive or a negative view of the leaders. Yes? Do they have a positive or a negative view of the leaders?
While PNP President and Opposition Leader Mark Golding indicated that the poll is a big confidence booster for the party, he said it is not time to get complacent, especially when it comes to addressing the internal issues.
While encouraged by this, we are by no means complacent. We do not take this for granted, and indeed we recognize that we have more work to be done. We are in the process of selecting our candidates, and that is a process in our democratic system of governance which will, from time to time, cause ripples which have to be properly managed.
The answers are normally very good, good, average, poor, and very poor. Whenever we report that and we go to a presentation, people say, but, average could be, you could put the average along with the positive, right? And therefore, what we did, we took the liberty with the data on this particular occasion to add the average numbers to the positive. We did that for both leaders. We did that for both parties.
The poll was conducted between June 8th and 14, and a total of 1,012 persons were interviewed. There is a margin of error of plus or minus 3%. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.